long way out. Headlights, painting lights, quiet hum rolling through the night. Doesn't matter the rain, doesn't matter the time. Somewhere waiting up, there's a light.
Didn't pick the office life. No crisp white shirt, chose a dust road. Boots lost in earth. Don't always know that I'm chasing just the air up ahead. Family in my rear mirror, faces vivid in my head. No schedule to tell me when it ends or begins. Just wet streets and silence under my skin. Maybe the world wants more than I can give. All I hope you're not too tired, too thin to forgive. Skipped another dinner, didn't switch out of these jeans. Sometimes you wait so long, all cause I'm somewhere in between. You try not to mind, never call me out loud. And that's what pulls me home through the crowd.
Even if they've got the driver's name, even if you cover your smile beneath the rain, you keep the engine warm, keep the engine warm, no matter where you wait, no matter where you wait. Even tired is still the one I come back for. We keep the engine warm.
Let them laugh, think I don't imagine or dream. I wish as simple as light in the kitchen, or hearing you sing. No applause, no spot above the crowd, just a porch and someone around. Old truck, heavy miles, stained hands, heavy air. But it gets light just remembering you there. They say it's a lost cause, a lonely badge to bear, but I'd rather be the man called home every time you care. Late means I try, not that you slipped my mind. I'm driving home serious, promising every sign. Home's not the lane or the city names I see. It's you, it's us, it's where I'm supposed to be.
And waiting never feels too long. Still you keep the engine warm each dawn. Others let the tide fade, let their judgment form, but you keep the engine. Keep the engine warm. Keep the engine warm. When I'm lost, you're the light I drive toward.
To blame or explain away the grind. Just hoping someone died every mile's a hard left.
Now